Certainly. Here's a recipe for fish fingers with chipped potatoes and tartare sauce. Ingredients. Asterisk asterisk. Asterisk asterisk for the fish fingers. Asterisk asterisk. 4 fillets of white fish, such as cod or haddock. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 eggs, beaten. 1 cup breadcrumbs. Salt and pepper to taste. Vegetable oil for frying. Asterisk asterisk for the chipped potatoes. Asterisk asterisk. 4 large potatoes, washed and peeled. Vegetable oil for frying. Salt to taste. Asterisk asterisk for the tartare sauce. Asterisk asterisk. 1 cup mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons pickles, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon capers, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Asterisk asterisk instructions. Asterisk asterisk. Asterisk asterisk fish fingers. Asterisk asterisk. 1. Cut the fish fillets into finger-sized pieces. Season with salt and pepper. 2. Set up a breading station with 3 shallow dishes. Fill the first dish with flour, the second with beaten eggs, and the third with breadcrumbs. 3. Take each piece of fish and coat it first in flour, then dip it into the beaten eggs, and finally, coat it with breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs gently onto the fish to ensure they stick. 4. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. 5. Carefully place the breaded fish fingers into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3-4 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and cooked through. 6. Once cooked, transfer the fish fingers to a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Asterisk asterisk chipped potatoes. Asterisk asterisk. 1. Cut the peeled potatoes into thin, chip-like strips. Rinse them in cold water to remove excess starch, then pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. 2. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 3. Carefully add the potato strips in batches, frying them until they are golden and crispy, about 3-5 minutes. Remove with a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. Sprinkle with salt while they are still hot. Asterisk asterisk tartare sauce. Asterisk asterisk. 1. In a bowl, combine the mayonnaise, chopped pickles, capers, parsley, and lemon juice. Mix well. 2. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Asterisk asterisk serving. Asterisk asterisk. Serve the fish fingers with the chipped potatoes and a side of tartare sauce for dipping. You can also add some lemon wedges for extra flavor. Enjoy your homemade fish and chips with tartare sauce.